variables means here we will have a, b, c, d, e. You can take any variables. I'm taking reference as like this. So 5 variables means 2 power 5 is like 32 cells KMF we need. So 32 cells means it is dividing in the term of 16 and 16. So the first thing is right. So here it is a, like a bar, and here it is a. See here a and a bar. Okay, now this is simplified to a 4 variable and a 4 variable. 4 variable plus 4 variable is nothing but the a 5 variable K map. Now same thing. Now I will show you the what are the adjacent columns, adjacent cells. Okay, so last video it is of one box, right? So there you identify the grouping in very easy manner, but here a little bit complex. See the adjacent groups here in the same box, it is the adjacent group, you all know. But when coming to the two tables, see here this thing and this row, right? These two are also adjacent columns. Like you need to group here and here, means it is fine, common grouping. And here you need to make in such a way these two are also a one group. And here see the left or one cell is right. Here it is like a 2 cell grouping. And here see this is the one box, this is the one box, this is the so a type of grouping. So don't worry, when we see the question regarding this, you will get the clear idea. Now let us move to the question. So I will keep the reference as like this, so you can take the reference. Now after finishing all this, take a screenshot, because it is 5 variable, right? It is a little bit complex. Now 0 2 0 2 4 7 8 10 12 10 12 and 16 18 16 18 in the next table, 16 18 20 23 and 24 25 26 27 28. Now make the grouping in first table like this. This is a one group. Okay, now in this is a one group. Okay, here also same, means in the two tables we got the same grouping, same way like this. Okay, now here this thing is right, this is a one group, and here left over with singles, right? This is a one group. Okay, this is how you need to make the group. See, we made the common grouping, right? Like adjacent columns as one group. See, these are presented in the both tables, and this is also one group. I not shown here, but this is also a grouping process. And left over with ones, like ones. Now for this thing here it is present in the both tables, means we can ignore the A. Now let us see the BC. BC means here all BC is presenting, right? Means directly you can ignore the BCs. Okay, you can ignore A, you can ignore B, and you can ignore C. Now we are left over with this is the directly you can write it as D bar E bar. Now D bar E bar we got. Now this thing, right? This thing is present in both the tables, means you can ignore A's, you can ignore A. And here the common thing is B and B bar ignore. Okay, means it is not common, right? C bar you can write, B you can ignore, C bar you need to write. Same way here B ignoring means here you are going to like you are ignoring like D bar, like D bar and D, right? D bar and D you can ignore. Now left over with E bar. So here C bar E bar. Now this thing is common, right? Like place here it is presenting in two tables. Two tables means you can ignore A. Now you need to write B bar C. You need to write B bar C because it is only one, right? There is no other cell matching with it, BC and DE. Okay, we're done with completely first table. First table is done. Now let us see the leftover things in second table. We're done with this. We're done with this thing. Okay, this also done. Now we left over with this one. Now this like this, right? You can ignore all this and you need to write BC bar, but it is present in second table. You need to mandatory mention A. This is the final simplified expression for 5 variables. Okay, I hope you got the idea on this. If chances, I will take another example in next video. Okay, I hope you got the idea on this. If you're not getting this, try to watch once again, no problem, and take a screenshot like this. Finally, I'm hoping that you learned this. Thank you for watching this. If you learned anything in this video, please do a like and subscribing. Thank you for watching this.